Hi students, today we study quadratic equations. So important problems of quadratic equations. So in previous year examination, they asked these two questions for 2 marks. So here first question is find the roots of the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, and the second problem is find the discriminant. So here first the equation, check whether the equation is in standard form or not. If it is not in a standard form, first you write the equation in standard form. Now the equation is already in standard form, then it is not necessary to write correct. So they asked to find this by using quadratic formula. So for that, so you compare this one with standard form of quadratic equation. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So right here from what is the a value. So here x square coefficient is a. Here in equation a is 1 and the value of b. So it is x coefficient, it is plus 5. So you write with sign, and here c is the constant, it is 2. Now you write the quadratic formula. So our quadratic formula is x is equal to, so minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Dear students, you get half marks for writing this one, and another half marks for just writing substituting the value of variables. So here b value is 5, right? 5 as it is, plus or minus as it is, square root of. So here b value again 5. So here 5 square minus 4 as it is, a value is 1, c value is 2. So divided by 2 into a value again 1. So simplify. So for this you get half marks, and for this also half marks. So next, minus 5 as it is, plus or minus 5 square is 25, and minus plus. So minus plus minus, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here 2 1s are 2. So denominator becomes 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 5, put as it is, plus or minus. So 25 minus 8 becomes 17 by 2. So dear students, here 17 is not a perfect square, so you put it as it is. Now the roots of the equations are plus square root of 17 by 2 and or x is equal to minus 5 minus square root of 17 by 2. So these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. So for this you get 2 marks. So now here we have another important problem. So out of any two they ask one. So find the value of the discriminant and hence write the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So here once again you write the quadratic equation. Here x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here you compare this one with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here write the value of variables. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 4. To write the nature of roots, first to know the value of discriminant. So here discriminant is b square minus 4ac is our discriminant. So substitute the value of all variables. B value is 4, it is 4 square minus 4. A value is 1, C value is 4. So square them. 4 square 16. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16 minus 16 becomes 0. So our b square minus 4ac discriminant becomes 0. If the discriminant is 0, then our roots are therefore the roots are real and equal. So for this you get 2 marks. So it is very simple problems. So students, if you understand these problems, then you subscribe my channel, like my channel.